out here with a mower.
Yep, I'll move that stuff back here too. I got this. This is all trash. It needs to go.
Well, that's, you mean Carmen, we want one of them?
Mm-hmm.
Or,
Mm-hmm.
it was like a wooden case. We would put
Yeah, that's all garbage. A whole pile of
cool.
trash.
What's this? The thing. You know.
That's, yeah, that's where I can turn it at. I just have to move them things up so I can get my pallets out from under it.
Right, right.
Turn them this way. Then I can turn that right around. And I even scrap. I still have. I'll just move that back. I'm getting tires out and gas bottles today. And then I clean. No. Then I cleaned up this. Put some pallets back there. So I can keep stuff
Oh, you
nice.
gave all the rotors. What's his name?
I turned them all in today. Everything I had. I'm gonna get these motors that I've got started into my shop because I'll be pulling these motors apart in an up and coming video, pulling the copper out. So I'm going to bring them in here, put them in a barrel, empty that barrel, and then bring that barrel in and put it over there. I'm going to fill this barrel here with my motors that I'm going to stick around. You'll be seeing me process some of my motor mountain over there. That's what I really want to work on, motors. Because if I can get my motors out of here, my yard's going to be looking good. Oop. Copper nugget. Oh goodness, nice copper nugget. Got to get to that barrel one day too. I've got half of it. I got half of it, but I got to get the other half. Yeah. Yep. Get that barrel inside. Put something else in it. Got another barrel over there I got to cut the top off of. Got this barrel here. Yeah, get my barrels back in here where they belong. Meantime, I'm gonna load that barrel right there. Good amount of motors to tear apart. These are just the ones I got ready. I'm gonna clean the other ones up and get them ready. Nice. Piling up. What else do we got out here? Oh yeah, we got some more. That one might be a little difficult. Fan motor. Oh yeah. Get all that cleaned up over there so I can cut that brush back. Cut that brush back. My wire barrel is building up. Breezy in Grandpa's yard, which makes it really nice. I cut a couple of them golf cart rims off. Wasn't too bad. I got the wrong blade for it, that's for sure. I need to cut a handle for this bucket. I need a handle because I cut the top off. That was the worst thing I could do. Dead battery. Dead battery. Handle. least got one handle right now. That works for Grandpa. Some of these got the casings off, some of them don't. That's one bucket. I'll be tearing them down, pulling the copper out of them. Video coming soon. All right, see what else we got in this bucket here. Yep. Yep. More motors. Hopefully they're all copper. That's why they're in there. All copper. I know the ones I have the casing off are. A little water in this bucket. Got nasty. Ooh, that's a big one. Big one. Oh my word, that is a big one. Big one. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh. Woo! That's a biggie. Yes, sir. That's a biggie. A little wet, but hey, that's some beautiful copper right there. Whew, them things are gonna be fun to pull apart. Lord have mercy. Be watching, guys. Be watching. I'm wondering if I could burn them things. I don't know. And the plastic, maybe. I don't know. Probably not a good idea. I guess we'll be pulling them out the old-fashioned way. Oh. I got a bunch of them to do. Plus the whole pile over there is just motors that I haven't taken apart yet. So, yeah. Yeah, another biggie. Oh, yeah. Man. Grandpa's got some goodness to take apart. That's all stuff I just been setting aside. Take it apart, set it aside. You might have seen them coming apart on an earlier video that I might have made. Look at that, huh? Yes, sir. Some good copper, good metal. Man, my yard is close, guys. I'm about to get this where I can mow it. I'm about to get this where I can mow it. We're getting close. Get all these barrels out from outside here and inside where they belong. So I can put my non-ferrous metals in them properly, like stainless steel, dirty and clean. Brass, dirty and clean. Copper, number 1 and number 2. Yeah, there's so many. Cast aluminum, sheet aluminum, using crow. There's so many. Extrusion aluminum. Yeah, it's just goes on and on. So you need a lot of barrels, and what I've been doing is getting my barrel full and bringing it in. I've actually even brought in some of my copper. If you looked at my videos, you'll see a couple of them. I brought some copper in. Oh yeah, it's a big boy. Gosh, holy smoke, these things are massive. Whoa, good Lord. Yes, sir. Wow. Wow. That's one of them ones that goes across. So I'm going to have to cut that off and pull them through, because that one goes zip, zip, 1, 2, 1, 2, back and forth, back and forth. It can be a pain in the behind. Pain in the behind. If it takes too much time to do something like that, Grandpa has absolutely no problem bringing it in as motor weight for 25 cents a pound. Because it's heavy anyways. So yeah, I'm not gonna waste a lot of time on it. I have no idea what we got here. What are you? Starter? I'm thinking it's the old starter. Oh yeah, I mean, guts of a motor. All right. So that's one barrel I'll be scrapping, making a video of. I got to get this extrusion metal off my bench. Another motor right here. We got some work to do, Grandpa. We got some work to do. I got some brass to separate, tons of it. Some copper motors to get out of here. These transformers that came out of microwaves. I got another one here that I tried to put a machete through it. My machete's not sharp enough apparently, because now it's just stuck in it. Yeah, you want to see it? I'm not kidding. Oh, damn it, hey, it came out. The other day I couldn't get it to move. That's funny. Anyways, I tried to. Oh, I got a doctor's appointment today. Oh, all right, guys. I'm gonna call it quits for the day. Going inside, jump in the shower, get myself cleaned up. What's next? What's next? What's next? Scrapping with Grandpa. Stick around, we got plenty to do. Plenty.